Hello guys, this is Hassan and I am based at the Architectural Engineering Department at Heriot-Watt. I hope you are all doing well, keeping safe, staying healthy, and of course keeping indoors. Now, as we are spending more and more of our time indoors in our homes, it is now perhaps more important than ever that we take care of our homes too by conserving energy. And therefore, I would like to draw your attention to a very successful campaign which is started by DEFA called the My Sustainable Living Program. Now, you all can sign up to it or you can ask your parents about it. What this program does is it allows users like you and me to compare our monthly energy bill against our community. Now that encourages us to save on electricity, of course, and save on water, and of course then helps us lower our carbon footprint. So let me give you a very quick example. I signed up to it last year and have been monitoring the energy use in my one-bedroom apartment. So this is how it works. Now, if we take an example of February, we can see here that this is my house, which has used 374 kilowatt hour units of energy. And this is quite similar to an average efficient house in my community. So I'm only 8% higher, and that's pretty good. But if we look at water, this is quite embarrassing because my energy house usage is much higher than an average efficient house in my neighborhood, almost 50% higher, but similar to a normal house. But of course, our targets are to be as close as possible to an average efficient house. So this is quite helpful because it keeps me in check about what I am doing and of course, what are my final ratings. So let's look at some facts now. Looking at some general home energy trends then, now did you know that more than half of our electricity at home only comes from air conditioning? Which is not surprising. What is surprising though is that the second most abundant source is not lighting. It is water heating, which accounts for 20% of our electricity, and that's quite surprising considering Dubai's extreme climate. Turning our attention to our water use, which is a slightly different story. Water seems to be more well balanced between bathing, flushing, and washing, which includes dishwashing. Finally, let's look at some DIY energy saving tips that all of you can apply at home. Firstly, go easy on that tap. Washing your hands should really require a third of your normal full tap. Make sure you also invest in energy efficient appliances and LED energy saving lights. Also, please turn up your thermostat. Not only will it save you energy and money, but it will also save your room from freezing to 20 degrees at night and you having to take on double blankets. So this was my community message on behalf of the architectural engineering team at Heriot-Watt. Keep well, keep safe, and keep healthy.